Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to invest in JP Morgan ETFs. If you're new to investing or looking to diversify your portfolio, this is the perfect guide for you. First off, let's break down what ETFs are. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are like baskets of stocks or bonds that you can buy and sell on the stock market, much like individual stocks. JP Morgan, one of the world's leading financial institutions, offers a range of ETFs that track various indices, sectors, or strategies, making them a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned investors. Why should you consider JP Morgan ETFs? Well, they offer diversification, lower costs compared to mutual funds, and professional management. For instance, their ETFs might focus on tech, healthcare, or even global markets, helping you spread out risk while potentially earning good returns. Plus, with JP Morgan's reputation, you get access to well-researched and reliable options. Now, let's get to the how. Step 1. Educate yourself. Research JP Morgan ETFs on their website or financial apps to understand their performance and fees. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable broker like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. They're user-friendly and often have low or no trading fees for ETFs. Step 3. Fund your account. Link your bank account and deposit money. Step 4. Select your ETF. Look for symbols like JPME or JPST, check their expense ratios, and ensure they align with your goals, whether that's growth, income, or stability. Step 5. Buy the shares. Place your order through the broker's platform, and you're in. Remember, always consider your risk tolerance and maybe start small. Of course, investing isn't without risks. Market fluctuations can affect your returns, so diversify and don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Finally, keep an eye on your investments and rebalance as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. What's your next investment move? Drop it in the comments below.